Can you see my face with this microphone up here? Moving camera and handled camera. Thanks for having us. That's Tessa. I'm Brendon. And yeah, we're super, seriously, I just got a bit emotional thinking about the idea of being in a room with other people, watching people on stage playing music. I'd like to acknowledge the Awabakal people as well for having us. This is a song we wrote. Let's just get into it. What's it called? Me neither.
The new boy in town, unlike any other, his eyes are so brown. I bet he loves his mother, sets every girl's heart to race. But I'm the one who's in first place. So get out of his arms and put your back to the wall, 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 wall. Away with your charms. He don't want you no more. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why can't you just see that he looks better dancing next to me? Next to me. I cannot wait to go out to see my lover. It seems I'm too late. He's dancing with another. There's somebody new in town, making my man mess around. So get out of his arms and put your back to the wall, 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 wall. Away with your charms. He don't want you no more. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why can't you just see that he looks better dancing next to me? Next to me. Now he's on to someone new, but she don't know that he's mine too. So get out of his arms and put your back to the wall, 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 wall. Away with your charm. He don't want you no more. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why can't you just see that he looks better dancing next to me? Next to me. The new boy in town, get out of his arms. The new boy in town, get out of his arms. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Thank you. Okay, first song done, I can talk now. But I'm not gonna. We're just gonna keep singing. Oh dear. Okay, what now?
Stuck on the Moon, I guess, if you want me to do something.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
want
yeah.
to keep going?
Yeah, this is good.
Sure. Gee, we haven't done a gig in a long time. For anyone who's been to a Microwave Jenny gig back in the day, that's what happens. You just sit there while we talk to each other. And you don't actually hear what we're saying because we don't talk on the mic a lot. If we like it, we don't want to hear anyway.
You might not believe that these words are my own, but I wrote this myself so your mind would be blown. If what I felt for you was kept on a boat, there's not enough water to keep it afloat. If every word I wrote made you wanna smile, I'd write a list of words as long as the now. It never stands so far that I had to shout. I'd follow you round and won't shut my mouth. If you were safe when I held you, I'd be satisfied with my arms stitched in a coat and you wrapped inside. You'd wear me out in the rain and the snow, but you can't hang me up, 'cause I won't let you go. No, I won't let you go. If you're only happy if I went away, I'd dig a hole in the moon and inside I'd stay. But I'd take a pencil and some paper too, and think of the perfect words to write to you. I'd take all the lines from your favorite songs and write a new favorite and you'd sing along. Then I'd pencil in your favorite cartoon and extend it for millions and sing you this tune while I'm stuck on the moon. If you were safe when I held you, I'd be satisfied with my arms stitched in a coat and you wrapped inside. You'd wear me out in the rain and the snow, but you can't hang me up, 'cause I won't let you go. No, I won't let you go.
Thank you.
Was that the one, Crystal?
Cool. So this next one is something that Tessa's been working on. She's putting out under the name Tessa Thames. So go look that up. And yeah, this is that. Oh, what's the name of this song?
Oh,
Milk.
Milk, yeah.
I've gotten ready, hair done and makeup. Then in the taxi, you want to break up. Left to pretend in front of your friends. Away, fine.
Smoke machine.
I plan forever. Then you remember some old October. That you're not over fighting battles already won and lost. You keep on spilling milk, trying to make me cry. No matter what you try, I swear I'm getting by. I'm no cookie, I don't crumble that way. No matter what you say, you get no tears today. Here we are again, that time of evening. You said you loved me. I've gotten comfy, just wait and see. The queen of complacency. You keep on spilling milk, trying to make me cry. No matter what you try, I swear I'm getting by. I'm no cookie, I don't crumble that way. No matter what you say, you get no tears today. You get no tears. You get no tears. Why do you pleasure my lack of leisure? You think this pressure leads to a treasure. I think you'll find I'm already a diamond. You keep on spilling milk, trying to make me cry. No matter what you try, I swear I'm getting by. I'm no cookie, I don't crumble that way. No matter what you say, you get no tears today. You get no tears. You get no tears.
Yeah.
It sounded like I was getting emotional, but I think that was like the potato mash.
What? Old one. What'd you call me?
I don't know what one that is.
We're getting old, man. There's lots of old ones now.
I need a woman.
Yeah. There's a song called I Need a Woman. Baby, when can I start counting on you? Instead of counting to 100.
stay or keep on running? We seem to have a rough time, you get hasty, baby. I don't need a girl, I need a woman. I don't have enough time to be wasting, baby. Are you gonna stay or keep on running? 'Cause whenever we seem to have a rough time, you get hasty, baby. I don't need a girl, I need a
I think we have time for one more. I don't really know.
Yeah,
You just kick us off when.
We're just playing until someone tells us to stop.
But I can probably do the cover. Just a bit slow. I think it's like. We're going to do a bit of a cover now.
Yeah.
Go so
For the, oh, yes, good one.
I can feel a new expression on my face. I can feel a glowing sensation taking place. I can hear the guitar playing lovely tunes every time that you walk in the room. Close my eyes for a second and pretend it's me you want. Meanwhile, I try to act so nonchalant. I can see a summer night with a magic moon. Every time that you walk in the room, maybe it's a dream come true, walking right alongside of you. Wish I could tell you how much I care, but I only have the nerve to stare. Yeah, yeah, I can feel something pounding in my brain. Just anytime someone speak your name.
Is that us? I think that's us. Thank you. We're Microwave Jenny. And yeah, look up Tessa Thames and the Magpie Swoop. That's my new thing too.